you go. Here, I thought I was doing it. Look, where do you see a fish?
Don't point at where it is. She knows.
Oh, where do you see a fish? Savannah, that's me. Where do you see a fish? Where do you see a fish? Good girl.
Fish.
Where do you see a duck? Where do you see where do you see a duck? Where do you see a zipper? Zipper. Good girl. Where do you see a tie?
Tie.
Good girl. Where do you see the moon?
No.
Where do you see the yarn?
Yes.
Yarn, baby, yarn.
Well, I kept calling it a yo-yo on accident.
Yo-yo. Where do you see the yo-yo? Where do you see the key?
Key.
Yeah. Where do you wait? Where do you see the quail? Where do you see the birdie? Look for the bird. There you go. Just turn it. Hey, I'm in charge of these. Where do you see the sock? Look for the sock. Where do you see the ring? That. Yeah, you're right. Put it there. Where do you see the ring? You just had it. Where do you see the egg? Look for the egg. Yep. Where do you see the whale? Turn it. No, turn it. Where do you see the X-ray? Where do you see the insect? Where do you see the bug? Look for the bug. Where do you see the carrot? I got it. Where do you see the umbrella? Umbrella. Where do you see the basket? Where do you see the vine? The vine, it grows. Where do you see the vine? Savannah, look for the vine. It has flowers on it. Look for the vine.
Look for the flowers, honey bunny.
No, right there. Put it right there. There it goes. Look for the pear. Where does the pear go? No, the pear. That's an apple. Where's the pear?
Baby.
No, where's
You're the baby.
Where's the pear? Where's the jump rope? Find me the jump rope. Here, take your piece. Where's the jump rope? Can you find me the house? Can you find me the octopus? Here, I got it. Can you find me the grape? The grape? Here, two more. Can you find me the apple? Where's the apple go? Can you find me the nest?
Dad?